Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Nova 10 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 themes for this device. So, if you are tired of the standard appearance of your phone system, it's time to change something. So now I'll show you the top of the best themes for your device. So let's get started. At the third place of our top theme is Niagara Launcher. It's a simple launcher with a user-friendly and minimalistic interface, so let's install it. So just open Petal Search and find here hello and find here Niagara Launcher. Open apps, find it in APK pool. Click allow, cancel, download, wait a while, click allow, install, wait for it, click open, click agree, and great. As you can see, it's a really simple launcher with a user-friendly and minimalistic interface. In order to find any application in this launcher, you just need to touch your finger on the alphabet and drag your finger to the desired letter. Thus, you will find the desired application. For example, if you want to file documents, so just touch your finger, drag your finger to the letter and open Docs, for example. Great. If you want to set this launcher as default, you need to open Settings, then choose Apps, Default Apps, Home App, and choose Niagara Launcher. Great, as you can see now, Niagara Launcher is system launcher, is your home screen launcher. Okay, that's it. On the second place of our top is Smart Launcher 6. So find Petal Search and find here Smart Launcher 6. Install it, click download, wait a while, click allow, install, click open, get started, I agree, confirm, continue, allow photos and videos, confirm, exit, and set up as default, Niagara. Great. Cool. Here we have a simple home screen, and here we have designed menu apps drawer. So this is a very beautiful launcher, as you can see, with a handle application grouping function. For example, all your games will be here, all your media here, all your utilities here, all your contacts and internet here. So great. And well, in first place, sorry guys, but this is a standard launcher from Huawei. Why? Because it's pretty enough, it's handy features, it has handy features, for example, previewing content. I will show you, wait a while, to set up standard launcher as default, open default apps, home app, and choose Huawei Home. Here we have preview features, for example, from tips or from health, or from messages. I have no messages yet, so I have no preview feature from messages, but it is here. So this launcher has handy features. And most importantly, this launcher has petal sort built in the launcher. And with Google blocking, the Huawei phone can't work properly without petal sort. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.